Good morning, everyone. Today we going to the Switzerland. Yeah, first time I'm going to the Switzerland. I have time loading for this country, and this is first time, and I must be create this video. We going there for two car, not only one. I show you. In front of me, we have another car. Here, this is my car. And yeah, we just moving to forward to the Germany and then going to the Switzerland. We will see. I hope this is great journey, and yeah, something like that. You on the channel Flying Dragon. My name is Andrew, and yeah, let's move on, and I hope you enjoy this video. Subscribe. Video. Currently I'm in Poland. We have today a nice journey. From me, right now both driving from company from forest. We can second last. Yeah, so amazing. Weather is fine. Unfortunately, we have war in Ukraine, but I hope our government can take the we have a little short break to continue our drive, because I have about 45 minutes we must be go, and then we can go next because we have 10 hours to drive in in our work. Yes, this is nice, and we have a toilet break and continue our drive. Let's go to the Switzerland. This is how look is parking place. This is my colleague, and here we have full of car. И там тоже так само. Yeah, this is a parking place in the evening, in the work day. Today we have Monday, yeah, something like that, and let's go for our trip. Bye. So, hello everyone. Right now we on Germany, and yeah, we going to the parking place. This is parking place on the industrial zone, and yeah, right now we're going to sleep, and tomorrow we're going for our unloading place. Unfortunately, what I saw in the Google Maps, we don't go to the high mountains, but this is Switzerland. Right now we close our window. Oh, close in here and go to sleep. And yeah, thank you for watching right now, and see you on the Tuesday. Today we have Monday. On Tuesday we go to our unloading place. Yeah, right now sleep well, and thank you. Bye. Just moment. We just finished our 9-hour break, and right now I show you where I am stopping. Here I am stopping. This is our car, looking like this. Yeah. And to the night I put the block in my throat. Here. Here. This is our security. And yeah, we just start our road and let's go.
I like the city, but I am tired of the same people, of the same things. I want to escape now to another place now, but with you, 'cause I don't want to be alone. Tell me if you want to follow me now, to follow me. Take me to your arms and never leave me. Don't leave me, boy. Tell me if you want to follow me now, to follow me. Take me to your arms and never leave me. Don't leave me, boy.
Well guys, we're right now in the Austria. Here we have mountains.
The same things. I want to escape now.
So nice, so beautiful. Yeah. Okay, let's try. Well guys, right now we're on the border and waiting for the paper for the soil. And yeah, about 25 kilometers we have unloading place, but right now we're waiting, and so many cars here is waiting for our time. And yeah, probably a moment we end drive next.
I like the city, but I am tired of the same people, of the same things. I want to escape now to another place now, but with you, 'cause I don't want to follow me, to follow me. Take me to your arms and never leave me. Don't leave me, boy.
Well guys, right now we just arrived for our unloading place, but today is just closed when we doing all this work and this our relax time. And right now we stopping here and prepare our dinner with our friend from my company. There, he's stopping there and prepare our dinner. Yeah, that. And yeah, tomorrow we have unloading place, and then we go to the next loading. And this is all for the loading on the Switzerland. Hope so you find a great video and great time spending with me on this road. And yeah, take care, be safe every day, every moment in your life, and yeah, something like that. Thank you and see you on the next video. Subscribe to the channel, Fly Dragon, and yeah, thumbs up.